This is our demo model, and in this model, we have one transactional table and no financial or global dimension is connected to the transactional table. So let's see how we are going to connect financial dimensions to transactional table. We go into the setting of BFO Dynamics, and what we do first is we defined what are the global dimensions. So let's do the 3. And I have here already in the notepad the names for these financial dimensions. The first one is going to be department, and I have a business unit and cost center. We intentionally use the prefix FD or GD in order to be easily found in the front-end tools. Now we go to the company, and we have, in our case, several companies. We just choose one we want to set up, and we are going to add 3 dimensions. Usually, we would first select what is the mapping of a global name, and here we have the local name. We will map department into department, FD department, business unit into the business unit, FD business unit, and cost center into the global dimension with the name FD cost center. We save. Now, instead of to do the same exercise in all other companies, we have a feature copy to all. It means that now these financial dimensions are available in all other companies, which shortcuts the work. Sometimes you can have like 20, 30 financial dimensions and 20, 30, 50 companies. You could spend the whole day just clicking this. After we have finished with the instance setting, we go into Deploy tab and deploy all application area. Staging area will bring us new financial dimensions to the framework. Data warehouse will create some help tables that are necessary, and as a result also the analytical part is going to be deployed. It's just faster. Now let's see how we append financial dimension to transactional table. So at the same time, we are going to see what is current status of financial dimensions or of our transactional table. So let's go to the fact, sales invoice, transaction, and this is our transactional table, the one and only in our model. And it has dimensions that are already connected, but the placeholders for financial dimensions are empty. Let's see how this works. So in our model, we choose transactional table and we go to the tab 4. We are not going to add financial dimensions from field enum or custom, relate table or custom, but we go to the global tab and choose one transactional table which has the information about the global dimension. How do we know this? You have to know your dynamics. If you don't know, if you're a BI developer, ask your dynamics consultant which transactional table, if there are many, holds the information about the global dimensions. They will know. And once this is done, we save and click Generate. Now what Generate will do is going to insert financial dimensions in all places. This is place number 1, placeholders in the insert part, then it's in the select part and the join part here. As you can see, this is a true example of data warehouse automation. With one move, we can actually apply changes into 50 transactional tables and change hundreds of scripts. Now, all we need to do is deploy and process the whole model so that all the changes take effect. Because this is a very small model, the changes will be done within a 20-30 seconds. So first, it's all about deploying changes, and then it's also all about processing the data. Deploy is already done. And now we are pumping data from Dynamics into the staging area, and further we're going to bring the changes into the analytical model. It's all integrated, it's all in one here. In our Excel, this is our old refresh, so we still have the few dimensions, none of them are global, and we just wait that model is going to be processed and refresh the part in front end. Okay, we see the processing is finished, so let's go to our Excel and refresh the model. Let's see what we have. So we have three financial dimensions. Financial dimensions do not come with many attributes, code and description. It's not something like customer. We can have like unlimited global attributes. And let's bring in the business unit. Nice. Cost center. Yes, there is some action there. Or department. Of course, it is understood that we can bring dimensions in any position we want. This is how we bring global dimensions into one transactional table.